Madrid. The very mention of the name brings to mind many things. For me, it's everything from the Royal Palace to football clubs to masterpieces at the Prado. For others, perhaps it brings to mind a modern cosmopolitan city, or more general visions of Spain as a whole. One of my friends, on hearing I was going to study in Madrid, asked, "That's in China, isn't it?" But this video is not about that. This installment is only tangentially related to Madrid at all. In these first few days of being in and around the town, the majority of my reflections have trended toward thoughts of myself and what I am doing. But if we're being honest with one another, Spain was not my first choice when selecting a study abroad destination. I have nothing against the land of my father's forefathers, but when choosing a place to settle for a time, there are many countries I would rather experience. However, due to a myriad of factors, almost all of them being admittedly my own fault, I came to be here. For a time, I saw this as a disappointment. Sure, I'm finally getting to really immerse myself in a second language, but that language was like fifth on my list of languages I wanted to learn. Yes, I will be taking exciting classes that aren't offered at my home school, but I don't know if my school will accept these out of major credits. I second-guessed my decision to push back my graduation a semester and leave my good friends back home. But then I got on a bus. I know the video is showing trains, but I didn't take a video of the outside of the bus, so just bear with me. But anyway, I got on this bus because one of the students in the ISA group decided it would be fun to head to Valencia for our last weekend before starting classes. Just a bunch of us going and hanging out on the beach. Being from Southern California, this was not a proposition to which I would say no. Now, I knew almost nothing about Valencia. They have really good oranges, I think. I was mostly going because 1, I love the water, and 2, I know that the key to maintaining sanity is to make friends, and that can take some time, so best get started as early as possible. Because 4 months may be a decent chunk of time, but it passes in an instant and then it's gone. I was extremely lonely my first semester of freshman year back home, but thank God I didn't leave then because I would never have found the amazing friendships to which I was now longing to return. So I guess that's my first week, and here's the takeaway. Things almost never go exactly how you desire. And when your plans are shot to bits, you can either curl into yourself, or you can get up, hold your head high, and march forward into the unknown. Because while it might hurt to have a plan blow up in your face, it also leaves you with a clean slate of opportunity. There's beauty everywhere, unique experiences to be had around every corner, and good people to be found if you will but go and seek them out. And isn't that the essence of study abroad? Remove yourself from familiar situations and venture forth into a new land to seek new knowledge and experience. As one of my new companions put it,
exploring. That's what we're here for.
And you just never know when you'll explore and find something amazing.